When Michelangelo was asked how he created his masterpiece, the David, he didn't talk about what he added. He didn't talk about painting or decorating or building up layers. He said, "I saw the angel in the marble and carved until I set him free." He didn't create the statue. The statue was already there. He just removed the stone that was not the statue. This is the principle of Via Negativa, the negative way. It is the idea that improvement isn't about doing more things right, but about doing fewer things wrong. It is not about adding, it is about subtracting. Look at your life right now. You are tired. You are distracted. You feel stuck. So what do? You try to add. You add a morning routine. You add a gym membership. You add a new productivity app. You add more podcasts to your queue, and you collapse under the weight of it all. You cannot build a skyscraper on a swamp. Before you can rebuild yourself, you must drain the mud. Welcome to the reconstruction. Welcome to year zero. Today we do not build. Today we destroy. Modern society is an addiction machine. It is designed to keep you in a state of constant consumption. We live in an age of information abundance, but attention poverty. Seneca wrote about this 2,000 years ago. He said, "To be everywhere is to be nowhere." You think you lack discipline. You don't. You lack clarity. Your will is a limited resource. Every time you resist a notification, every time you decide what to wear, every time you filter through the noise of the news, you are spending that resource. By 2 p.m., you are bankrupt. If you want to reconstruct your life, if you want the hunter mindset we talked about in the manifesto, you have to stop feeding the parasites that eat your energy. You don't need a new strategy, you need a demolition crew. To clear the site for your reconstruction, we must demolish the 3 pillars that hold up your weakness. You don't need to manage these things, you need to kill them. The first elimination is the digital IV drip. You are terrified of silence. The moment you have a spare second, in the elevator, on the toilet, in line for coffee, you plug back in. You treat boredom like a disease. But boredom is actually the only place where original thought is born. Marcus Aurelius didn't need a retreat to find peace. He found it by shutting out the noise and going within. The elimination. For the next 7 days, no input before noon. No news, no podcast, no music. Just you and the work. If you can't sit alone with your own thoughts for 4 hours, you don't own your mind. The algorithm does. The second elimination is the open door. I've told you before about avoiding the wrong people, but this is about access. You are a fortress with the drawbridge permanently down. You reply to texts instantly. You say yes to every small favor. You let people dump their emotional garbage into your living room because you are afraid to appear rude. Seneca warned us. We are tight-fisted with our money, but when it comes to our time, the one thing it is right to be greedy with, we are wasteful. The elimination, revoke access. You are unavailable by default. You do not owe anyone an immediate response. If they drain you, they don't get in. The final elimination is the comfort trap. We are biologically wired to seek the path of least resistance. But in the modern world, that path leads to obesity, weakness, and depression. You eat because it tastes good. You sleep in because it feels warm. You are a slave to your own sensations. The elimination. Pick one physical comfort you rely on and kill it for the week. No sugar, no warm showers. Or sleeping on the floor. Prove to your body that you are the master, not your impulses. Most people watching this will nod their heads, feel inspired, and change absolutely nothing. Do not be one of them. Inspiration without action is just entertainment. Here is your contract for the next 7 days. You are living in year 0. You are not trying a new routine. You are running a demolition crew. The rules. 1. No inputs before noon. 2. No is your default answer. 3. Kill one physical comfort. Write these down. If you don't write them down, you will negotiate with yourself in 2 days, and your old self will win. The world benefits from you being tame, entertained, and available. The world wants you to fail this. It wants you plugged back into the matrix. Every time you say no to the phone, or the favor, or the donut, you are not just building discipline. You are reclaiming territory. You are proving that you hold the title deed to your own life. Clear the site, remove the rubble, because in the next episode, we stop destroying and start designing. We will look at how to architect a life where discipline happens automatically, but you can't build a skyscraper on a swamp. Dry out the ground, start the demolition. I'll see you in the ruins. Thanks for being here with the Stoic Quotient, where ancient strength meets modern life.